Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Lately I have been busy with OnePlus videos and a lot has happened in Samsung's Galaxy as well. I know that was a bad pun. Just recently, the very first real images of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus have been leaked. This is the image of the rear of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. We can see it has the same ugly camera square design which contains 4 cameras, a flashlight and what seems like a microphone hole. Then we have the Samsung brand logo at the bottom. Usually it used to be present somewhere over here in the past flagships. These cameras of the Galaxy S20 will include a standard wide shooter, a telephoto lens, ultra-wide sensor, and the fourth one could either be a time-of-flight sensor or a macro lens. The back glass panel is curved from all the edges, including both sides and top bottom as well. This looks very brilliant, but I would love this design on the front rather than the back, which I know is irritating sometimes, but it looks cool AF. Nonetheless, we have basically 4-sided waterfall display but at the back. Interesting choice by Samsung indeed. This is the smartphone from the front. It looks very gorgeous, especially with this new wallpaper. We have the punch hole in the middle of the display. The corners are rounded just like it is on a S phone, and the bezels are also very small. Somehow does not look any more bezel-less than the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which isn't really a bad thing. This third image shows us the boot up menu. It says Galaxy S20 Plus 5G, which design wise is the same as the Galaxy S20. Then it says powered by Android and secured by Knox. Nothing really interesting here. We are going to get 5 variants of the Samsung Galaxy S20 lineup, including the Galaxy S20, S20 5G, S20 Plus, S20 Plus 5G and the Galaxy S20 Ultra 5G, which means that Samsung will only make one variant of the Galaxy S20 Ultra phone, which is 5G. So what about the countries which aren't going to be 5G in 2020? Well guys, your bad luck. You will have to invest your money in a phone which is expensive because of the 5G chip, and then the same useless 5G sucks more battery, so it is a lose-lose. And I really hope Samsung should make a cheaper 4G version of the Galaxy S20 Ultra for countries which don't and won't support 5G in the near future, and there are a lot of those. The name of the foldable phone which will launch alongside the Galaxy S11 has been leaked. Earlier we used to refer to it as the Galaxy Fold 2, but it's not that. This new foldable phone will be called as Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. So it is a completely new range of folding smartphones, the Fold lineup, and then there is the Flip lineup. The name could have been just Galaxy Flip without the letter Z, Fold for horizontal folding and Flip for vertical folding. Let me know guys your thoughts about the leaked images of the Galaxy S20 Plus 5G. Make sure to subscribe for more coverage on upcoming smartphones. Give this video a like button, and as always guys, thanks for watching.